Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a Facebook business page. So let's get started. So to create a Facebook business page you have to follow this easy step. So first you have to open your google.com and then you have to search for the google.com here, and then you have to search it here as your Facebook business. Just go here. So just go to here, Facebook Business Manager, login and access Meta. Then you have to click on here as login with Facebook. Then here you have to put your email ID and password. And then here you can log in. So it has some time issues. It will take 2 times like here. Then here you can see my Instagram. And here I have logged in. So by this way has been created. Now it's time to connect the pages and other things set up. So you have to click on this here to profile. You can see your current profile. If you go to here notifications, you can see your notifications also, like who have liked your photo and who have posted the things. You can go to inbox and then you can see the messages from the other people too, where you have received from here by this way. Okay, so if you see here, you can just click on this content here. You can see your content that has been scheduled or content has been posted from here, and then you can see the reach also. And if you want to export the data, you can click on this export data and it will give you an Excel sheet or the other form too. If you go to the stories, you can see the stories that you have posted or scheduled it here. You can see like A/B test and many other clips and other things from here. So here you can click on get started, and from here you can just do the A/B test also. Then you can click on this planner option, and after going to planner option you can plan the post for the future from here. So you can just go here. After it loads, it will take time. Then you have to click on this create post, and after here you can just add photo, add from your desktop, and after here you can just select your photo. Then from here you can just select any photo that you want to post, and then from here you can just add the text, and then you can click on this publish, or if you want to schedule, just turn it here, and from here you can just set the timings on your Facebook and your Instagram, and then click on schedule, and then it will be done. Then if you don't want to schedule and post it now, then you can click on turn it off, and then you can click on publish, and then it will be post. So by this way you can do it. And if you go here again, then you can click on this insights. You can just discard this for now, and in the insights you can see your Instagram activity and the reach from here. If you go to the ads section, and if you want to do the ads, for example like audience, so you can see like gender and other things, messaging, here you have the benchmarking and many other things this way. Okay, and then if you go to the all tools option, then you can just go here, and then you have to search for the ad manager. So on the ad manager you can just go to this here, and after here you can just create an ad account inside it, and then you can just see like here I have ad account. I will just create a business portfolio. So from here you have to do the market name info, just put the first name, surname, email address, and then you can create the business campaign, and then you can run your campaign from here, and then you can just create a ad from here like a product or account. If you want to do, you can just do set the budget, and then it will be done. If you go to here, then you can click on videos. If you have any earnings received, then you can see your earnings also. And if you want to edit your like profile, then you can go to the home, then click on this more option. You can just go live or upload the bulk video. You can set here the to-do list if you have any to do, and if you see here, you get these stories and other things too. Then here if you scroll down, you can click on get like create ad. You can just create your first ad using like the tools like let's say automated ads. Let's click on get started, and after here you can like you can, it doesn't apply for me. Do you have a website? No. So do you want to contact people? Do you want to? Yes. Then here you can see like share the contact info, share me on WhatsApp, message me on WhatsApp. Location you want to set, like for example if I set like USA, United States, just click next. You can add many more location interested in. Let's say you can just do the interest, then do the next. If you don't want interest, do next. Select the ads from here, like the post you can see, then do next. And after here they will find the audience according to my post, and here will be the budget, and then you can publish. So the daily budget will be like a 306 means it's like a $2 budget. Every day you can just click on publish, and after that then you can add your funds, and then you can also advertise your business shoot as well. If you want to leave, just click on leave and done. If you go to here, you can just create reels, create ads, create a post, and do many other things. If you want to edit your Instagram profile, just click on here, and from here you can just edit here too. Then you can edit your website link and many other things. If you click on this edit Instagram, just click on here. You can verify your account also. Just click on verify account. You can just continue here, login in, then you can verify here too. And this is how you can do. And you can just go to the Instagram here also, just click on Instagram, and then after here you can just log in, and then it will be done. So this is how to create an Facebook business page. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for your watching.